What's good, YouTube? This your boy Rel 2 Wavy, and we about to get this 9-week wolf brush session in. You see what's going on here? Bring this up here. Okay. See what I'm talking about right here? This is the hard brush right here. This is that Torino hard brush. If you wolfing, you need to get yourself a hard brush to lay down those waves under all this. Cause this right here, nothing. When you get that cut under this, you need to see those waves. That's why everybody be losing progress. Everybody lose progress. Oh, I'm brushing my hair, blah, 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 but they don't use this hard brush. Oh, my head hurt. Shut up. Brush your damn head. Brush your hair, man. You want a wave? Brush your hair. That's it. Just go to work and brush your hair. And yeah, this shit works out your arms. You brush your damn hair. And the progress will happen. Just let it happen. My shit look crazy right now, but when I get a cut, or when I get a cut, I don't know if anybody follow anybody else, but go in the comments and let me know who y'all follow on YouTube so I can find out and I can fix up some of this wolf, especially after I cut this down, because I'm gonna need to follow somebody to see how to maintain this after. I don't know what to do after a haircut. I don't know, man. Get the fuck up out of here, man. Come up out your neck. Anybody know what that is? Oh, shit. I don't know how this nigga be doing that shit, man. God damn, my nigga. Yeah, I'm done, man. I'm done. Goodbye.